In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up different affiliate links on your YouTube channel so you can earn some nice affiliate commissions promoting products that you already know, like, use, and love. Okay, so in the first video, we kind of talked about how to get started on a YouTube channel. So you got to pick your theme, right? So what are you good at? What do you know a lot about? Like, do you know about something? What are you good at something? Is there something that you could talk that you're passionate about and you can talk about for the rest of your life? Like, you got to talk about something like that. Like for me, it's music, it's business, it's travel, it's helping people make money online. So pick your topic, okay? Pick your theme, what your YouTube channel is going to be about. And then once you have that theme, then you can see, okay, what kind of affiliate offers go along with what I'm doing, right? I'll show you some examples of like what affiliate offers that I promote, that I post in my YouTube videos. But like for example, like I play guitar, right? I love playing guitar. I love music. I love singing. So I can create a whole YouTube channel just about maybe learn like playing guitar and music and what I like and like maybe I can give some guitar lessons, right? And then I'm giving some like guitar lessons and then in the affiliate in the description part, I can have affiliate links so people can go buy this guitar and then every time they buy this guitar, I get a percentage of the profit, right? I make a sale with my affiliate link, right? So they purchase this guitar, I get like 30%, 10 to 30%, and the rest of it goes to the company. That's how affiliate marketing works, right? You're promoting other people's products, you're selling other people's products that you know, like, and use yourself, and then you get a little commission for that, okay? So I generally only promote products on the front end where I earn 100% profit, but on the back end, I will promote other affiliate offers inside of my YouTube channel or inside of my email list. That's where I'll promote other affiliate offers. Okay. So there's pretty much no limit to like the kind of affiliate offers you can promote. You can promote all kinds of things. Like you can become an associate on Amazon, and then you can basically get an affiliate link for any product that you can find on Amazon. Okay. So if I was like doing music, I could do guitars. I could do like picks, guitar picks, metronomes, anything like equipment, music equipment, amps, anything connected to music, I could promote, okay, as an affiliate link. Now let me show you my this channel. Now on this channel that I'm doing here, I just teach people how to make money online. Okay, that's basically what I'm doing here on this channel. So I do a lot of marketing tips, mindset tips, strategies, and I share different opportunities with people so to help them make money online, right? So my number one offer, it sells for $900. So every time someone goes to one of my links and they purchase that program, the $900 program, which teaches you how to make money online, basically every time they purchase that program, they go to my link and they purchase that program, I earn 100% profit, $900, right? But not only that, I also have different affiliate offers that go along with like helping people make money online. Okay. So let me share my screen and I'll show you what I mean, right? So let's go to my YouTube page. Okay. So here's my YouTube page, right? Now, if we go to one of the videos here, let's just go to any video. Let's go to this one. Okay, let's see. Yeah, we'll go to this one. Okay. This. And so here's my video that I made, right? Now, if you look in the description part, look at this. Okay. I have a link to the business, right? So the people can click on the link and it'll take them here. What happens when they click on this link? They'll go to my capture page, okay? So I'm building my email list. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to show you how to build an email list from scratch, okay? Because email equals income. So look at, they go here, they go to my email list, okay? And they get the blueprint, okay? This 2 hour daily blueprint helps everyday people earn $900 a day from home, okay? So they get access to that. But also, if you look, I have more offers too. Here's my favorite online business tools, okay? Like, and I have these are different affiliate offers. Some of these are free, like ChatGPT is free. I just share value. Like I share the tools that I actually use to build my business. So I use system.io, which I use for like creating capture pages like this, you know. This is from System, okay? So I use that for my email marketing. Then I use like here's social media tools for branding, okay? This is for branding. Yeah, and here we go. Branding. Do 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 do. And it takes you, it's kind of weird at the time here. So this is for like building your brand. right? Like if you need help with the like your banner, like look at, for example, I went here and this person, I've worked with this person for years. Okay, they created this YouTube banner for me, right? Like if you go here, let's go back here. Okay, look at the top of my YouTube page. You see this? So, oops, hold on. They created this banner for me, okay, on the top, right? This YouTube banner. It says Dan Bellen, sevenfiguremonk.com. So I share these tools so people can learn how to brand themselves and they can use the same and they can have the same people, they can use the same tools that I use to build my business. And then I also earn affiliate commission every time they purchase something, right? So let's go back. Is and make so every time they go to one of these links, okay, in the description, they purchase something, I get an affiliate commission for that. Okay. So I'm always adding more affiliate offers, like whichever, but it's only things that I use, things that I actually use myself. That's the only thing that I actually promote. Okay. Here's another thing. Here's this little tapping course because I like to do EFT tapping. It's good for stress and anxiety. You're just like tapping on your body and you're saying these affirmations. So I share this mindset course. That's another affiliate link. So you see, you can put any kind of affiliate offers that are related to actually what you're doing. Okay. Now, if you're doing travel, then you can have a whole like store like on Amazon, everything that you use to travel, like your whole top 20 things that you want to take with you while you're traveling, right? You understand what I'm saying? Does that make sense? So that's how you do affiliate marketing on your YouTube channel. You just pick your theme of your channel and then you find different products that are connected to your theme. Okay. And then you become an affiliate for those products. Amazon's great for that. You can make a whole store and a whole list of things connected to your brand. Okay. So that's how you can make money with affiliate offers. And now in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can grow your email list, how you can do email marketing and grow your email list using freebies, like a freebie to attract customers to you and to actually build that email list because once people are inside of your automations, your email list, they can buy from you at any time. And you can promote multiple offers inside of your email list. And you can promote your social media channels. You can promote all kinds of things inside of your email list. So having like a lead magnet, like a freebie where you're giving away like free value and you're collecting emails at the same time, this is the strategy for growing that email list and monetizing that email list. So I'm going to show you how to do that in the next video. So thank you for watching. Make sure to like this, share this with someone who might get some value here, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, drop it in the comments because I love to hear your questions and I love to hear your feedback. So have a great day and I'll see you in the next video. God bless. Make sure you watch the next video because I'm going to show you how to build that email list.